Hey YouTube, Nick here from X5 Overland. Just wanted to update you guys on our sleep platform. It's completed. Okay, so we did the best that we could with my broken hand. Sawed these with a hand saw, because that's all we have. So they're not very square, and they're just screwed together with screws and glue. We did what we could, okay? I'm not very good, I'm not a carpenter. So yeah, we're just waiting for the glue to set up. Once the glue sets up, I'm gonna slap a plank of plywood on there and go from there. Look at that. That's not bad for cutting with a handsaw. It's day 2, by the way. So this is the progress that we've made. Yeah. People don't really let on how much work. This is a lot of work. Sorry we didn't film all of it, but it's really hard to do. Also, I have a work another day. Come back to me. Come back to me. Here we are, day 4. It's like mid to late afternoon. Yesterday we finished carpeting it. I'll give you a shot of that. Ugh. These things are like static cling kings. So the whole thing's been carpeted now. We got our little cubby here. That's gonna be lined too. We just ran out of liner. So yeah, that's all done. We got these little 3-inch foam insulation things from Home Depot. $20 each. Yeah, so we're gonna cut these in half. That way we can get to this when we're on the road. So we'll cut them in half and stack them up there. And then, it doesn't cut very well. We used a kitchen knife. It's kind of jaggy. Cassandra really wants it to be like that. The reason why it's taking so many days to do this is because I'm trying to do it right. We always rush things and it ends up looking like garbage. This is like halfway rushed versus halfway professional feeling. You'll see at the end, I guess. We made a sleep platform, dude. It's badass. You want to see it? That's a hinge. We hinged it so we could do this stuff. Boom! So in here is going to be camp kitchen. See in here? We got like all of our kitchen paraphernalia. This little side pocket is going to be all the dog stuff. Like his bunny, his bowl of food, his little doggy backpack. And that's also our little hub for charging all of our stuff. We are going to have to relocate that though, so probably up here somewhere. Little side pocket is for like, I think we have like MREs and water and Gatorade, just like food, basically survival stuff. If we run out of like delicious campwear.
And a stick.
Yeah, and an extra stick. Hello. If you could see, we have, it's usually bigger than this. We have, well, there's holes in it. This is our sunroof. This whole thing slides back. This is our sunroof. The whole thing slides back so we can like look at the stars and stuff at night. It doesn't really work out though because we have the roof boxes up there. So Cass just kind of put these little curtains up just to kind of hide all of our junk down here. This is basically where we live. This is where our clothes will be. We have the camera case, the charging case for all of our DJI stuff. Miscellaneous. The shovel and the axe will have to be mounted somewhere, but we don't know where we're gonna mount it just yet. It's supported by 3 legs in the front, and then in the back it's connected to that box that everything else is connected to. Under there we'll have all of our like tools too, things that we don't really need all that often. It'll all be crammed in the back. Okay, so that's basically the bed made. We have, what is that, 3-inch foam? 3-inch foam, and then we have like a Walmart pillow topper little thing, and then we just have a regular old sheet. It's a full-size mattress. A little short because, you know, it's a car. So when we do go to sleep, we push the seat backs forward on the 2 chairs, and that gives us another 6 inches or so, and we have little pieces of foam that we put in between the bed and the seat so the pillows don't just fall down. And then this is a blanket that someone knitted for us.
Shout out to Mom and Nana.
Yeah, Mom and Nana. They knitted this.
They crocheted it.
I think it's a bit ridiculous to have in the car until you sleep with it. When you sleep with it, amazing. Keeps you so warm, but not like hot because look, air holes. And yeah, when it's time for bed, we just shut the hatch and it's bedtime. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Hopefully you learned something. Let us know what you would do differently in the comments down below. Leave us a like if you liked it. And stay tuned. Many more videos to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Okay, also live streams on Tuesdays. Tuesdays at an arbitrary time that we pick. Just stay tuned for Tuesday live streams on Instagram.